Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very old phone and very dirty. It's a Digi Mobil phone which is branded. So we're just it's a disassembly video, so we'll see what we find. It's a very old phone. It has a jack and it has the I think it's a mini USB connector, and then it has the volume buttons. Here you have a slot for one of those things to carry, and then on this side you have a micro SD where you can put a card in. Oh, oh, this is already falling apart. And and a button to take photos from the camera, and yeah, you have buttons. Don't think the batteries has anything in it. Yeah, so let's take it apart and see what we have inside. Right, okay, so we have a Huawei battery. Yeah, let me take this out and let's see if we have any voltage in the battery. So plus, no, plus and minus, oh, and it's 0.01. It's gone. It's absolutely gone. Okay, I will set this aside now. Not sure if I can show the IMI. Anyway, let's try and take it apart. So there's a screw over here. Which is maybe this one. No, next one, which is this one. Yeah, okay. I'll pop this here, and then I have something to pry them open. Oh, that was easy, I think. And now we have screws all around. So there one, two, three. That one has a sticker. 4, 5, and 6. Just checking to see if we have any more screws underneath this sticker. Don't think so. Right, let's see if now it's gonna be coming off. It's very this is very dirty, and it's not because it's dirty, is because the plastic was very poor, and all the oil from the material or additives came apart, transpired to the front. And then it became very, very gluey. Right, what do we have here? So we have the front cover, yeah, with the glass, and then here we have the keyboard. And then here, this I think is the keyboard back. Oh, right. Let's take these out as well. Right, what else do we have here? Let's see if we can take it out. I don't see any more screws, so it should come out, I hope. Final last word. Oh. These up here are the pin terminals. This, I think it's a speaker, and then this over here would have been the jack, I think. So if you want to take these out, so you can, I think. Oh, you have to bend this up. Okay. And these are coming from this side. So these ones are coming from this side, which is good. So you can take that apart. And let's see. Take the sticker off. This phone, so I'm not going to do anything with this phone. It's actually working. I am just doing a disassembly of it to show you how it is inside. So yeah, this is how the board looks. So this is the SIM slot, and here this is the micro SD card, and you have this. This is the, if I remember, this is the battery terminal. Yeah. It's very interesting because I can see here, so this is for an antenna, and then here you would have a chip, and here there is an outline for something else. I don't know, with two terminals. I'm guessing that would be a, oh no, sorry, that's the speaker. Sorry. Yeah, that's the speaker. And I think that's very funny. So if I put it back here like this, yeah, so this one has a, does it? It has a hole for the camera, and I think here you would have the camera or something. It's, yeah, it's very interesting. It's very interesting, that very weird made. And here you can see there's some small LEDs. To light up the keyboard. And we also have a battery here. Is that a battery? Yeah, definitely a battery. It's welded. I'm not going to take it out now. I can only see this flex cable. I take it off. Yay. Not sure what it says. Oh, it's mentioning data, so oh, let's take it further apart so I can see here. Okay, so there's one thing here. Okay, and then one thing over here. Okay, so this is up, and now, oh, can see one over here. Oh, come on. All right. It's dirty. The screen is dirty. Can you see it? Right. Can I take this off? So not much else, I think, on it. I think I can use some hot air to get these things off. Maybe 100 degrees. Let's see what we have. Yeah, we have 100. We have 100 degrees Celsius with probably 70% airflow on the UHA 899D. Chinese, but does the job, I think. Let's see now. Can we take it off? Did it work? No. We need more than that. Okay. I think that's it.